Hey everyone, this is Vittorio. We're at the Eibach production facility and this is our weekly recap. Since we're at our production floor, it only makes sense to announce our all-new spring links for our 3-inch inner diameter Eibach Racing Off-Road Springs. To help you further fine-tune your rig or race vehicle, we'll now offer our 3-inch inner diameter springs in 13 or 15-inch length with the rates of 500 all the way to 750 pounds per inch. Aside from our Eibach Racing Off-Road Springs, we brought in a 2024 Volkswagen Atlas Peak Edition. For this vehicle, we tested our Pro Kit, which lowered it at about 1.5 inches all around, and our Pro Lift Kit, which lifted it 1.7 inches up front and 1 inch to the rear. For this vehicle, we're still looking at our options, so stay tuned for more information. Alongside the Atlas, we brought in a 2024 BMW M240i xDrive. We tested our current Pro Kit and found that we needed to adjust the rear spring. At the end of the test, we were able to lower the vehicle by 1.1 inches up front and 1 inch to the rear. Outside of the office, we met up with our team Eibach racer, Wilkey. We also wrapped up an in-depth interview and got a shop tour of his shark den. If you want to see these two videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.